Welcome to my gluten-free plate. This is where I'm going to show you how I make my vamped up dough bread rolls. No yeast, no waiting, and no need for expensive bread flours. Crunchy on the outside, soft and squidgy on the inside, and perfect for salad rolls and burgers. You'll start by adding your dry ingredients to your best bowl and giving it a quick mix. You could probably sift it, but that's not really necessary. You will then get together all your wet ingredients into the one bowl. You can, of course, just dump everything straight into the flour mix if you wanted to. I just did this for the video. So this is really important at this next bit. You really need to stir this very well. It's if you've got a stand mixer, I would probably use that. You need to do this for at least 3 minutes until you get a really nice bouncy kind of dough that comes together really well. Flour your surface really well and also flour your fingers, and this is where we knead gently though, so we're just using our fingertips. And the idea here is just to fold the flour into the dough. You'll just use the quick and easy kneading process there, just the fold over and quarter turn, and you'll just keep doing that until at least I think half of the reserved flour is used, and we did start with a quarter cup. The next part's really important to also, you need to oil your hands and your surface a little bit, and what you're going to do is make a log and about 15 centimeters long and divide it into 3. Next you'll work on the rolls a little bit, and you'll just fold over and roll them up in your well-oiled palms. You're going to then finish that off on the bench top, and remember to keep the seam side down so that any big crinkly bits will stay on the bottom and they won't be on the top. These are a rustic roll. We haven't really done a lot of kneading with these, but these are just really quick and really perfect for that last minute bread roll you might want. You're going to place those into a prepared tin. I've used a tall cake tin for these 3 because I want them to rise up and not to spread out. You're going to finish off with some sesame seeds if you have them and if you want to, and then they will go into the oven at 220 degrees for the first 25 minutes. I then take them out, now that they're firm and solid, and I put them back in to really brown up for another 10 minutes at the same temperature. Now, I know how we all like a quick video, so if you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section, and I hope to see you for my next video. Thank you for watching.